Hello and very welcome. Today is just a quick video about a new preset, which is a lead kind of bass Hoover sound, which is originally done by my Jana Brothers mate Sasha Meola, and I tweaked it a bit, and yeah, I just want to show you how it sounds and of course share it with you later on. So that's basically the sound itself. It's done in Polymer. There's quite a bit of post-processing. So in the mid there's a randomized bandpass filter, and you can control the modulation with this button here, with this knob. So let's have a listen, with and without. Yeah, you can dial it in on your taste. And also here's a delay. And yeah, that's it, mostly. I really like the sound generally of those Hoovers, but this sounds particular, and it's quite nice. So you can download and grab it from my Patreon page. Please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.